Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Yorhifa Grandma Picture Frame, a must-have for dog lovers and grandmas alike. If you're looking for a heartfelt gift or a special way to showcase memories, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's unpack why this frame stands out from the rest. This isn't just any picture frame, it's designed specifically for dog grandmas. Made from sturdy medium-density fiberboard, it's built to last and won't easily warp or fade over time. The rustic style adds a charming touch to any room, whether you choose to hang it on the wall or display it on a tabletop. With dimensions of 9.8 by 7.8 inches, it's ideal for holding a cherished 4x6 photo. What sets this frame apart are the thoughtful details. It comes equipped with both a hanging line and a support frame, giving you flexibility in how you display your favorite moments. Installing your photo is a breeze. Simply slide the fastener to secure your picture in place. Whether it's a snapshot with your furry friend or a cherished memory from a special occasion, this frame ensures your photos are showcased beautifully. Now, let's talk about why this makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just because, the Yorhifa Grandma Picture Frame is a meaningful way to show your appreciation. It's not just a frame, it's a gesture of love and gratitude. Imagine the smile on your grandma's face when she sees her beloved dog immortalized in such a thoughtful gift. Compared to other frames on the market, this one stands out for its durability and elegant design. Many frames lack the attention to detail that this Yorhifa frame offers. The engineered wood material ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for preserving your precious memories. Wrapping up, the Yorhifa Grandma Picture Frame is more than just a decorative piece. It's a tribute to the special bond between a grandma and her furry companion. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home decor or searching for the perfect gift, this frame delivers on both style and sentimentality. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or as a gift, I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.